Here we have a pixie haircut transformation. So the stylist does add an undercut with this one, and I am loving the hair color on this. Wow, beautiful shape and texture overall. Nice baby bangs going in the front. This is so cute and stylish. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more haircut ideas that you can play around with this season. Here we have the stylist mixing in some gorgeous layers and bangs. This is an absolutely stunning haircut, perfect for what we're seeing this season. And then we have a mini bob hairstyle. This is another major hair trend. Does have a bit of a pixie shape in the back, cascading shape in the back. Gorgeous. And then we see another layered haircut style. Layers are a great way to add some shape and texture to your doll strands. And then we have a big chop transformation. Ooh, gorgeous pixie style with an undercut in the back. Very nice. What an amazing transformation. And then we see someone with reddish colored hair. Looks like she's just kind of cutting the ends and shaping the hair up to a bob. Oh wow, I love the texture that she added. Really pretty tousled effect. And I think that the color looks amazing. So we have more of like a feathered pixie here, or feathered pixie style. Bangs in the front to frame out the face. Lots of hot volume and texture. Then we have another layered hairstyle. Oh, really nice shaggy hairstyle. Beautiful. And this is another huge trend that we are currently seeing. Another great way to add some texture and volume to the strands. So I hope you guys did enjoy all of the hairstyles featured within today's video and were able to get some hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.